In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unsupported graphics card driver in Blender. This error usually comes down to a handful of things: outdated graphics drivers, missing or incompatible OpenGL support, broken Microsoft Visual C++ runtime libraries, or older hardware that simply doesn't meet Blender's requirements. We'll move through the most reliable fixes in a clear order so you can get Blender launching and rendering again. Start by updating your graphics drivers, which is the most important fix. If you're on NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience, go to the drivers section, check for updates, and install the latest version. On AMD, open AMD Software Adrenalin Edition and click Check for Updates. If you're using Intel graphics, run the Intel Driver and Support Assistant to grab the newest driver. When the update completes, restart your PC to load everything cleanly before trying Blender again. Next, confirm your OpenGL support. Modern Blender versions require OpenGL 4.3 or higher. If your GPU is too old, Blender may not launch at all or it might crash immediately. In that case, consider installing an older Blender release such as the 2.9x series, which has lower requirements. Blender also depends on Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. If those are missing or corrupted, you can see confusing GPU errors even with a good card. Don't try to remove random entries manually. Instead, download the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable installers and install both the x64 and the x86 packages. When both are installed, restart your PC and test Blender. If you're on a laptop, make sure Blender uses the dedicated GPU. Open the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, then Program Settings. Select Blender from the list and set it to run on the high-performance NVIDIA processor. Apply the change and relaunch Blender. For diagnostics, try launching Blender with the Debug GPU option. Open Blender via a shortcut and add that launch flag. This mode prints detailed GPU logs, which helps confirm whether the issue is driver related. If things are still broken, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall Blender, then delete the Blender configuration folder located in your user app data roaming directory under Blender Foundation. After that, download and install the latest Blender from the official site. If none of this works, your GPU likely doesn't support OpenGL 4.3. Use Blender 2.93 LTS or 3.3 LTS, or consider upgrading your graphics hardware. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.